Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today, we are going to stir-fry lotus root with dried chilies and Sichuan peppercorn. This fish which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Let's start cooking. Ingredients are lotus root, spring onion, coriander, ginger, chopped garlic, dried chilies, and Sichuan peppercorns. Peel the lotus roots and soak them in water. Pour in a little white vinegar to prevent the lotus roots from oxidizing and turning black. Sliced lotus root, then wash again and set aside. Whole lotus is crisper and has less starch content, so it is suitable for stir-frying or cold salad. If the lotus root you buy is a 7-whole lotus, it will taste softer and waxier. The starch content is relatively high, so it is suitable for soup, but not suitable for this dish. Chopped spring onion and place onion white and onion green separately. Chopped ginger. Chopped coriander. Chopped dried chilies. Stir-fry dried chilies, Sichuan peppercorns, onion white, and chopped ginger. Add chopped garlic. Add lotus root slices. If it's too dry, add a little water and stir fry together. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon chicken powder to taste. Add little water if needed. Plate lotus root. Garnish with coriander. Delicious dried chilies peppercorn stir-fry lotus root is done. This dish of lotus root is crunchy and slightly spicy and really goes well with rice. If you like spicy food, remember to bookmark the recipe. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. YouTube, there are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, ya. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.